Hello, the Chef George from the Events by George Company Catering. Today, let's cook fried rice, vegetarian. No meat, no seafood, nothing in there. Ingredients for the recipe for today. Fried rice, oriental fried rice, is rice that we made it before, soya sauce, leeks, shredded carrots, bean sprouts, scallions, peppers in jardiniere, and onions in jardinières. We start to add 3 spoons of olive oil, extra virgin, in the fry pan. We add the rice. I cooking for 40 people. For this reason, I made a lot of rice. We add egg in the rice, and we start to make this. We start to add the peppers, onions, we add the leeks, mixing everything. We add the carrots and continues. Mix everything. Add the bean sprouts. We add the soya sauce to the rice. I made the rice without salt because the soya sauce is a little salty and the flavor we receive from the soya sauce in the rice. If you put salt for cooking, maybe it will be salty at the end of the preparation. For finish, we add scallions that will be the brilliant color to the rice. This is the final presentation for the vegetarian fried rice. I hope that you enjoy. Share, like, your comments are very important for us. We put every day different video in our YouTube channel, and we can make any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.